The basics of ocean shipping. Ocean shipping is the transportation of goods by ship across oceans. It is one of the oldest forms of maritime transport and has been used for centuries. Ocean shipping is usually cheaper than air freight and rail transport, but it takes longer to deliver goods. It can be a complex process to arrange ocean shipping, as it depends on many factors such as the size and weight of the goods being transported, how they are packaged, whether they are hazardous materials or perishable goods, and what kind of route they will take. Ocean shipping is a very cost-effective way to transport goods long distances, because it's cheaper than air freight or rail freight. The cost of transporting goods by ocean shipping is usually based on weight, volume, distance traveled, and speed. It can be used for both bulk cargo and lighter goods. It can be used to transport goods that are not able to be transported by air or rail due to their size or weight. It is cheaper than air freight or rail freight. It can carry heavy items such as cars, trucks, tanks, and waste containers. They are loaded and unloaded onto and from lighters by crane. Ramps on each side of the containers allow them to reach the shore. Ocean shipping is a crucial part of international trade, but it also has drawbacks. The main drawback of ocean shipping is the high cost. Shipping by sea can be up to 4 times more expensive than air freight for the same distance, and this is due to a number of factors including the need for bigger ships with longer journeys and higher fuel costs. The other major drawback of ocean shipping is its impact on the environment. Pollution from ships can be devastating for marine life, and there are also concerns about oil spills in our oceans as well as greenhouse gas emissions. Importing and exporting goods can be expensive, especially when you are considering the cost of air or sea freight. The major consideration when choosing between these two options is the time it takes to get your goods delivered. Air freight is quicker than sea freight, but it is also more expensive. Sea freight takes longer, but is cheaper than air cargo. It's up to you to decide which option will work best for your needs and budget. How much does it cost to ship a car? The transportation of a vehicle by air is the most expensive option. A car will typically cost between $2,500 and $3,000.